have an easy chicken recipe for dinner with very few ingredients in it. It is a delicious and healthy chicken with artichoke recipe. I think it's the best baked chicken with artichoke, and I am going to use marinated artichokes, but you could use just regular non-marinated if you wanted to, because I do that sometimes too, and it tastes just as good. So if you want to see how to make this quick and easy dinner idea with chicken, then keep on watching. If you're new to Artsy Cupcake, welcome. I'm Maria, and I'm a full-time graphic designer, and I love hopping onto YouTube where I share tips on bringing creativity into your everyday life. I create fashion lookbooks, home DIYs, and recipe videos. So please consider subscribing if you like cupcakes and all those other fun things too. I am really active in the comments section below all my videos, so I would love to get to know you. I have been making this super easy and fast recipe for so many years, I can't even count, and I just adapt it each time I do this, and it's based on what I have in the refrigerator. Sometimes I'll use a different type of cheese or frozen artichokes instead of the marinated ones in the jar, and you could add whatever types of seasoning that you want to this, but the way I'm sharing with you today, it's just one of my favorite ways to make this. I'll also be showing you a quick side salad that I put together to serve with this meal, and it ended up being really filling and a really well-rounded, healthy meal. I will post a printable recipe on my blog, and then I'll link that in the description box below. And if you're wanting something sweet to go along with this meal, don't forget to check out my ultra healthy red velvet cupcake recipe, which I just made, and they're so good, and I'll link that video down below too. I made my recipe with 3 chicken breasts, and it took around 45 minutes from start to finish. So let's get right into what you will need to make this marinated artichoke chicken recipe. The ingredients you will need are 3 to 4 chicken breasts, 1 can or jar of artichoke hearts. You can get the marinated ones or the plain ones, half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, 3 tablespoons Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon capers, 1 tablespoon minced garlic. That's it. I love simple and easy recipes with very few ingredients like this one. So the first thing you will need to do is preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Next, you will spray a baking dish with baking spray and place the chicken in the dish. Combine the rest of the ingredients and pour that onto the chicken. And then you just bake for 30 to 35 minutes. While this was baking, I threw together a healthy side salad. I had some spinach on hand, and I added some cucumbers, grape tomatoes, mushrooms, and hard-boiled eggs that I had. And then I just topped that with a little salt and pepper. I used some yogurt dressing, which is light, and it's only 35 calories per serving for 2 tablespoons. Next, I plated the chicken breasts, and the Greek yogurt turned into a very flavorful and delicious sauce. So I made sure to use a big spoon to scoop some of that sauce on top of those chicken breasts. And then here is the final product. Let me know if you try this recipe out. It's one of my go-tos, so I would love to hear what you think and know if it became one of your go-tos also. Don't forget, if you need a little healthy dessert for after this meal, check out my ultra healthy red velvet cupcake recipe, which is low sugar and low carb. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.